Mobile has become mission critical for today's enterprise. When you're deploying thousands of mobile devices to frontline or remote workers, the stakes are high. Your business relies on those employees staying connected and those apps running seamlessly. You need not just the right hardware that will drive workforce productivity, you also need the right tools to deploy, manage, and secure mobile devices at scale. And you need a mobility partner who is committed to your long-term success. That's really what our Samsung Galaxy Enterprise Edition is all about. It's our commitment to enterprise customers. We brought together a complete package of mobile management solutions combined with ongoing support and availability to ensure a successful deployment. Enterprise Edition devices like the Galaxy S21 and the Tab Active 3 come with a 1-year license for the entire Noxsuite. Noxsuite provides a command center for end-to-end mobile management. You get access to the advanced features within Nox Platform for Enterprise, Nox Mobile Enrollment for zero-touch deployment, the Nox Manage EMM for remote management monitoring and support, and Nox eFODA for control over firmware updates. Enterprise Edition devices come with 5 years of guaranteed security maintenance releases from the date of first availability. You can be sure your devices will continue to receive critical updates so you can extend your replacement lifecycle and maximize your investment. Enterprise Edition devices also have a product lifecycle assurance for 2 or more years after launch. So if you need to add more devices to your fleet later on, you have the peace of mind that they'll be available. We are introducing Enterprise Editions of selected devices across our lineup. Samsung continues to deliver powerful, business-focused solutions, including rugged, field-ready tablets and phones, and powerful multitasking devices that can replace traditional PCs. With the Galaxy Enterprise Edition, you get the complete package you need when it comes to managing mobile at scale.